Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I have done a program on the buffer station. This is the factorization, and here I have the TIA V16 program for the buffer station. So let's go to factorization first. I want to operate this first, then I will show you guys the program. Okay, this program will be running in two different mode. One is mode 0 and another is mode 1. So in mode 0 I will be sending individual boxes from the first conveyor to the second, from the buffer conveyor to the exit conveyor. And in mode 1 I will be sending set of boxes, for example 2 boxes at a time, 3 boxes at a time, up to 5 boxes at a time, from the first conveyor to the second conveyor, or from the buffer conveyor to the exit conveyor. So let's operate this system first in the mode 0, where I'll be sending individual boxes from the first conveyor to the second conveyor. Let's set the speed first. You cannot cross the limit of 5. That is how I have designed this program. Whatever the speed the first conveyor having, the second conveyor will have the double of it. So I have set the speed, and let's say this is 5. So if the buffer conveyor is having the speed of 5, then the exit conveyor will have double of it, that means 10. So I have set it to up almost 5. So let's start the system. I have started the system. So individual boxes is moving from the first conveyor to the second conveyor. So here you can see individual boxes is moving from the first conveyor to the second conveyor. And here is the display for the boxes that are moving from the first conveyor to the second conveyor. And this is the switches for pausing the system. If you press this switch, you can hold the system in any situation you want to, and if you again unpause this switch or press the switch, the system will again start to run. So let's press this switch, and okay, that is how you can operate this program in mode 0. So let's reset the system. So I'm resetting the system, and if I press the start button, then this display will be reset. So I have operated this program in mode 0. Let's operate the system in mode 1. So here I can send the set of boxes from the first conveyor to the second conveyor. So let's set it let's set it to 4. So you can set it up to 5, not more than 5. That is how I have designed this program. So let's set it to 4 boxes at a time. So 4 boxes at a time. I'll be sending those 4 boxes at a time from the first conveyor to the second conveyor. Let's set the speed. Okay, I have set the speed and reset the system, then press the start button. So four boxes will be moving from first conveyor to the second conveyor at a time. So let's start. So 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, and 4 box. Okay, so this system will be operating with these values. So 4 boxes are moving at a time from the first conveyor to the second conveyor. If you want to again want to increase or decrease this value, decrease the number of boxes that you want to send from the first conveyor to the second conveyor, then you have to reset the system. Then you can operate this system again. Reset the system, move it to mode 1, then set it to up to 3, then set the speed. Okay, that will be enough for now. Let's start the button. So three boxes at a time. 1 box, 2 box, and 3 box. 3 boxes at a time. Okay, that is how you can operate the system. And if you want to pause the system in any situation you want to, you can do that. So that is how you can run the system. So let's go to the TIA V16 program. So this is my program. The first network is for connecting the TI V16 program with the factory IO. The second network is for start the system in two different mode 0 and mode 1. And here I have the program for the reset switch, and this is for the display counter. The number of boxes that are moving from the first conveyor to the second conveyor are shown on the display. And this part from this point to this point, this part is for the pause and unpause switch, where you can pause the system in any situation you want to. And this part is for the return. The return command is for when this part is activated, when pause and unpause switch is activated in all the network below of this network, that means network 3, all the networks that are below the network 3 will be deactivated if this return command is activated. Next I have the network 4. Network 4 is for operating this system in mode 0, where I was sending individual boxes from the first conveyor to the second conveyor. So if network 4 is activated, then from network 6 to 8 these networks will be activated, and rest of the networks below the network 8 will be deactivated. So network 4, if network 4 is activated, then network 6 to 8 will be activated, and rest of the network from network 8 will be deactivated because of the jump operation. So when I am activating the network 4, it is jumping from the network 4 to network 6, and this will be activated up to network 8. Okay, let's move to network 4. And this is network 5. If I activate this part, that means operation mode 1, where I was sending a set of boxes from first conveyor to the second conveyor. So if I activate this network 5, then from this network 5 to 9. So this program is jumping from network 5 to network 9. If I operate the system in mode 1, or where I was sending the set of boxes from the first conveyor to the second conveyor. So this is network 6. Network 6 is for activating or deactivating the buffer conveyor for the mode 0. And this is network 7 for activating or deactivating the second conveyor or the exit conveyor. And this is for the individual boxes on mode 0. And this is the network 8. This is a network 8 for the stop blade. The blade, this is the blade. If I show you guys the blade, this is the blade. This one is the blade. This one is the blade. So this part is for activating the blade, for the individual boxes. Network 8. And network 9 is again activating or deactivating the buffer conveyor, but this time this network is for the setup boxes, where I was sending the setup boxes from the first conveyor to the second conveyor. You can move up to 5 boxes at a time. Here you can see the limit 0.00 to 5.0. so that means you can send 5 boxes at a time from the first conveyor to the second conveyor. You can increase the limit. You can increase the limit up to 10, but I have set it to 5.0. that means 5 boxes at a time. So this network is for the activating the buffer conveyor for the set of boxes. Network 10 is again for the exit conveyor, but this is for the set of boxes in or mode 1. And the last network for the stop blade, but for the set of boxes, not for the individual boxes. That means mode 1. This is for the mode 1. So I'll be sharing this program with you guys, so you can check and run this program, and let me know if you guys have any problem regarding this buffer station. If I explain this program, it will take at least hour to explain everything. So that is why I am providing this program. So you can find the download link of this program in the description box, and that is all for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.